Hey guys! I know that literally no one asked for this video, but I'm going to be dyeing my hair purple on camera. The products that I'm going to be using are Arctic Fox's Purple Rain and Tresemme's conditioner from the Botanique line. It has 0% silicones. I'm no professional, but I heard that this kind of conditioner is best for mixing with semi-permanent hair dye to give a overall more even color. I kind of look like a mess right now because I just shampooed my hair, so it's perfectly clean for dyeing. And yeah, I'm not gonna make this intro too long, so let's start. I put on an old t-shirt that I never wear anymore because it's from my cringy weeaboo phase. And let's start mixing the dye. Low-key really scared. Too late to turn back. Okay, so I'm almost done just randomly painting the dye onto my whole head, but I'm really scared that there's not going to be enough product, but praying that there is. I think I've saturated my hair to the best of my ability. I know I look pretty ridiculous right now, but I'm gonna put on this shower cap, wait around 30 to 40 minutes, and then rinse it all out. And I can't wait to show you guys the results. Okay, I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, good morning. I'm back with my hair all done and in braids. I'm gonna take the braids out in 1 second to show you guys. But yeah, from the clips of me dyeing my hair, you could kind of see that I tried to section my hair while I was dyeing it, but clearly it didn't work out, so I just ended up slathering the dye on randomly. So I'm really thankful that the color turned out this even. It's much better than I expected, of course. And yeah, I'm just gonna go change into a different outfit and take out these braids. I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back again with my braids out, my hair out. This is how it looks now. What do you guys think? I think this clip goes so well with this hair color right now and just the whole look I have going on. you guys enjoyed this video. I know I'm a little bit awkward talking to the camera, but if you enjoyed, please give me a like and subscribe. It would mean so much to me since I'm just starting out. And yeah, after this purple color starts to fade, I'll definitely re-dye it and maybe make another hair dyeing video if you guys enjoyed this. We'll see. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!